Okay guys, so I just got back from lunch with friends, which extended to the afternoon, and my package from Lazada and Swatch just came in. So yes, it's still wet from the alcohol. I spray everything with alcohol or disinfectant whenever I get packages. And I don't know if you remember me saying that everybody needs a swatch in their collection. So okay, this is just a letter saying here. Oh yeah, so it's just a letter and the invoice. And now let's just break through the bubble wrap. Sorry for the OC guys out there. I know this must be killing you, but yeah, I mean, let me know if there's a better way of doing this, but I like opening my packages this way, especially if it's wrapped in a ton of a bubble wrap. Yeah, by the way, it matches my jacket for today, the color of this box, so it's really nice. Let's put this aside and to the trash. There you go. And yeah, here it is. It says Swatch. I think it should move a little bit to this part. And yeah, let's just open it. There it is. Whoa, it opens both ways. That's nice. Of course, I think this is the instructions, care manual, etc. Sorry guys, I forgot the model name of this watch, but I'm gonna put it in the captions or description below. But yes, this is it. I think this is a warranty card, but yeah. So this is an automatic watch. It has plastic over here to protect the bracelet. It is a butterfly clasp, as you can see. And let's see, it's not screwed down. Yeah, let's try it on. Okay, I know this is gonna be big, but let's just try and see how it looks like on my wrist. I love that it matches my jacket because you can see that there's an orange right there. Yep. And there's that plastic wrapping. So the next time I'm gonna make a video of this watch will be a review after I've worn it for a while. But yep, so far so good. Very happy. Fast delivery too. Thank you Lazada and Swatch Philippines.